So we have a question here where we're asked to write the equation, and that seems simple enough. We go to our formula chart once again, where our formulas are. We have y equals mx plus b, we have point slope formula, and then we also have standard formula. Now let's see what's given to us in this equation. It goes through the point -3, 8 and has a slope of 1/3. Okay, so we already know the slope is 1/3 and we have the point. Okay, so I have a point and I have a slope. That should kind of give it away that we're going to use point slope formula. Okay, so we know that m is the slope, so we can replace m with 1/3, and then we need to label our point x1 and y1 so that we know that x1 gets replaced with -3 and 8, and y1 gets replaced with 8. Okay, so once you plug them into the formula, then you have found point slope formula. Afterwards, it does say that we'd also like to see it in slope-intercept form. So that means once you have plugged in those values, then you need to solve for y. Solve for y if you want to get it into y equals mx plus b form. Okay, those are my hints. Okay, from here you need to take it on your own and give the problem a try.